Welcome to the Tech Byte. Today I provide Vivo Z5x key specifications. So let's get started. Vivo will be launching the Vivo Z5x smartphone tomorrow through an unveil event in China. Plenty of details on the phone have surfaced in the past few days. Today, Vivo has shared 3 posters of the Vivo Z5x smartphone on Weibo to confirm its display size, battery capacity and processor. As it can be seen in the video, the Vivo Z5x will be arriving with a 6.53-inch display with punch-hole design. Probably, it will carry support for full HD plus resolution. It will be fueled by the Snapdragon 710 chipset. Also, it will be a performance-driven phone as it will be arriving with a behemoth battery of 5,000 mAh capacity. The smartphone, which bears a model number of V1911A, has already received certification from 3C Authority in China. It has confirmed that the phone will be arriving with support for 18 watts rapid charging. Reports have revealed that even though the phone features a huge battery, its thickness is less than 9 mm. The reservations of the Vivo Z5x have already started in China. The smartphone will be releasing in as many as 4 variants, such as 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 6GB RAM plus 64GB storage, 6GB RAM plus 128GB storage and 8GB RAM plus 128GB storage. However, there is no information available on the pricing of these variants. The Vivo Z5x will be releasing in 2 color options such as Extreme Night Black and Phantom Black. The JD.com listing of the phone has couple of renders of the Vivo Z5x. The images of the phone suggest that it will be offering a huge screen space. For photography, it will be equipped with a triple camera setup on its rear. At present, there are no details on the configurations of the 3 camera sensors. The smartphone will be equipped with a dedicated key for summoning the Jovi AI assistant and a rear-facing fingerprint reader. The unveil event of the Vivo Z5x will begin at 7:30 p.m. in China. What could be the starting price of the phone? Share us your thoughts by posting your comments in comments section. That's it from this video. Hit subscribe and bell icon to get tech, gaming and tutorial videos and notifications. Smile.